social science. We all love to explore new creatures found on the world. Many kinds of insects, birds, animals, which we might have not seen in our lifetime. But we always love to explore the diversity found in the organisms found on the earth. So today we are going to learn about that kind of the chapter only, which is named as wildlife. The chapter is going to give us information about the different kinds of animals, birds, fishes, reptiles, mammals found in our country. Right? So let's go with it. Starting with chapter number 18, Wildlife Standard 9. Introduction of the chapter. India has a diversity in relief and climate. Relief are different physical features. We have already learnt about the same in our prior chapters. That India is having the large diversity in its relief features. In the same way, it is having the diversity in its climate too. Northern part of India is snowy, cold. Southern part of India is hot and rainy. The same country experiences different climates. Right? As a result, even the diversity is seen in the wildlife. We are able to see many new creatures which are the part of India. In the whole world, about 15 lakh species of wildlife are recorded. 15 lakh different kinds of wildlife species are recorded in the world, out of which 81,251 are found in India. In India, we are able to see 81,251 different kind of species of the wildlife found. Right? Again, the number is very small in comparison to 15 lakhs. Then also, with this number, India ranks at the 6th position among the world in terms of biodiversity. What do you mean by biodiversity? The different kinds of species found in our country. Right? So India ranks 6th and 81,251 species are found in India and 15 lakh species are recorded in the world. Still the explorations are going on. It's not such that here at 15 lakh it ends. Many such new organisms are coming which still are remaining to explore. These 15 lakh species found includes reptiles, mammals, fish and other insects into it. Right? So let's continue now with our topic of zoogeographical regions. Zoogeographic regions of India. Natural vegetation regions have been divided on the basis of their characteristics. Similarly, a spatial distribution can be made for animals. The wildlife of India is divided into 9 zones according to the similarities in their characteristics and their existence in any region. These are as follows. First, Himalayas. Second, Ladakh and dry cold area. Third, forest cover in lower Himalayas. Fourth, highlands without forest cover in upper Himalayas. Fifth, northern plains. Sixth, desert of Rajasthan. 7. Peninsula Plateau. 8. Sea Coast. And the 9th and the last one, Nilgiri Hills. Now let's continue with the topic of the diversified wildlife found in India. The vast alluvial plains of rivers, peninsula plateau, mountainous regions, swampy areas are the areas which are very wet, sea coasts, dense rainforests, deciduous forests, coniferous forests of Himalayas and other higher regions form a vast background for the habitation of wildlife found in India. The animals seen are Asian elephant in peninsular rainforest, one-horned rhino in swampy Brahmaputra river, snow leopards in higher Himalayas, wild goats and musk deer in Jammu and Kashmir, wild buffalo, which is also known as Indian bison, tiger in central India and West Bengal, gudkhar, which is also known as wild ass, in Little Run of Kutch, and flamingo in waterlogged Greater Run. Presence of great Indian bustard in the grassland area is noted again. In the waterlogged area, migratory birds from cold regions come down in great number. These include Siberian crane, pelican, Tibetan duck, kunj, karkara, etc. Flying squirrels are seen in the dense forests of Western Ghats. Nicobari dove is the rare seen in Nicobar Island. Along with mammals and many types of birds, notice should be taken of king cobra, python, iguana also. Along the seacoast and other water bodies, various fishes, sea snakes, dolphin, shark, dugong, which is also known as sea cow, octopus, whale, etc. form a part of animal world. Besides forest, animals like fox, nilgai, mongoose, wild hog, hedgehog are seen in agricultural areas. Many birds such as nightingale, parrot, peacock, weaver bird, chibari, pilak, etc. are also seen roaming in these areas. Now let's continue with the topic of important national parks and animals found there. The first one in the list of national park is Kaziranga, which is located in the state of Assam, and rhino, wild buffalo, and deer are the animals found here. Second is Thar Desert, which is located in Rajasthan, and animals found here are desert wolf, desert cat, and bustard. Third, Kanha National Park, which is in Madhya Pradesh, and the animals found here are tiger and antelope. Fourth is Agir National Park, which is in Gujarat, and lion, leopard, and chital are found here. Fifth one in the list is Velavadar National Park, which is again in Gujarat. Black buck, wolf, and peacock are found here. Sixth one is the Kevladev National Park, which is in Bharatpur, Rajasthan, and it is very famous for the birds, migratory birds as well as local birds. Seventh one is Bandipur National Park, which is in Karnataka, and elephant, deer, hog, and wild cat are found here. Eighth one is Dachigam, which is in Kashmir, and Kashmiri deer, which is also known as Hamur, and musk deer are found here. The last in the list, the ninth one, is the Corbett National Park, which we also call as a Jim Corbett, which is located in the state of Uttarakhand in the foothills of Himalaya, and tiger, elephant, leopard, and deer are found here.
आभार।